Hi, everyone. I'm going to give a demo today of Super Dispatch Connection and how it works with between Super Dispatch and BATS. So right now I have my screen open to BATS. I'm within an order, and I have already downloaded the Chrome extension from the web store. If you want more details of how to do that, we have a help article on our website that explains the step-by-step approach to downloading the Chrome extension. So in this case, I already have the Chrome extension downloaded. I'm in an order, and you can see that in the upper right-hand corner, there is a Super Dispatch component, and a Post to Super Load Board button is right here. So all of these order fields will be mapping to a Super Dispatch order as soon as I click this button. So when I press Post, you will see that each of these maps over, and you will get a success message saying the order has been posted to Super Load Board. It includes a link here to the order. So if you click here, you're going to see the order open up in Shipper TMS. Right here is the order number, and its status is posted. This order number and the status will now mirror what is over in BATS. So I'm going to click OK, and you're going to see this area update that the order has been posted, and here's the order number. If I need to make any updates to this order, such as a vehicle gets removed or update a price, I'm going to unpost it from Super Load Board. You can see right here that that was successful. And then after I make the update, I can go and repost again. Lastly, some other features that we have as part of this extension is we will also show you load status updates. In this particular order, I'm not going to move status with it. It'll take a bit of time. So I want to show you another order right here where this order has been accepted, and you can see the different types of details that we show you once an order has been accepted by a carrier. So here you'll see the order is accepted, the order number, and the carrier information, including contact information here. Once this load is picked up by a driver, if a driver chooses to share their ETA and location, you will also have the driver ETA listed here, as well as their geolocation as well. So again, if you have any questions, you can reach out to your account rep, or you can also go to superdispatch.com to our help section and learn more about how this extension works. Thanks so much.